Greetings, and welcome to The Awakening, Black Women United. I am your host, Sherry Donnie. Today, we're diving into some heavy topics, from the challenges faced by Black women supporting Palestine to the question of Palestinian American support for Black women. We'll also be discussing the fallout from recent controversial testimonies by university presidents. It's going to be an enlightening conversation, so buckle up. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Let's awaken together. Many Black women have faced significant challenges in their support for Palestine. Their struggles often go unnoticed, but today, we shine a light on their courage and resilience. Universities, those bastions of free thought and debate, have become battlegrounds for some of these women. We've witnessed the likes of Harvard, University of Pennsylvania, and MIT presidents grappling with the consequences of voicing their perspectives. They've faced intense scrutiny, public condemnation, and even job loss. Yet they have endured, standing firm on their convictions. In one poignant example, Claudine Gay, the president of Harvard, found herself in the hot seat during a congressional hearing. Here she was, a Black woman, questioned about her university's stance on anti-Semitism while she personally advocated for Palestinian rights. It was a delicate balancing act, defending the freedom of speech on one side and confronting hate speech on the other. And then there's Naledi Pandor, South Africa's Minister of International Relations. She's been a beacon of hope for Palestine, spearheading a lawsuit in the International Court of Justice, accusing Israel of genocide. Pandor has faced her own set of challenges, navigating the international political landscape while advocating for a two-state solution, a peaceful coexistence of Palestine and Israel. These women's struggles are emblematic of the broader challenges Black women face supporting Palestine. They're caught in a whirlwind of political crossfire, social backlash, and personal sacrifice. Yet they persist, driven by a profound sense of justice and solidarity. Their stories are a testament to the strength and resilience of Black women globally. They've taken the road less traveled, facing adversity head-on, and in the process, they've opened up critical dialogues about freedom, justice, and human rights. These brave women have faced backlash, but they continue to fight for what they believe in. Their struggles, their victories, and their unwavering spirit serve as an inspiration for us all. In the face of adversity, they stand strong, reminding us that the fight for justice is a journey, not a destination. But this raises an important question. Will Palestinian Americans support Black women? This question is not merely a rhetorical one. It is a call to examine the intersections of our struggles and the potential for solidarity. The issues Black women and men are fighting for are not minor. They are battles rooted in a history of oppression, marginalization, and the struggle for justice. One of these battles is the fight for reparations. The call for reparations is a call for justice. It's a call for the recognition of the economic and social disparities caused by centuries of systemic racism. It's a call for the acknowledgement that the wealth built by the sweat and blood of our ancestors was stolen. And it's a call for that wealth to be returned to their descendants, to the Black community. Another battle is the removal of Boers land without compensation. This is a call for the redress of historical land dispossession. It's a call for the recognition that the land was taken from the indigenous people of South Africa under the brutal regime of apartheid. It's a call for the land to be returned to its rightful owners, without the obligation of compensation for the colonizers who stole it. And then there's the fight for Arab removal from Black community stores. This is a call for economic autonomy. It's a call for the end of exploitative practices that drain wealth from Black communities. It's a call for the respect of Black entrepreneurship and the creation of a self-sustaining Black economy. These are not easy battles. They are battles that demand courage, perseverance, and solidarity. They are battles that require us to challenge powerful systems and entrenched interests. They are battles that call for allies who understand our struggles and stand with us in solidarity. So we return to our question: will Palestinian Americans stand with us in these battles? We hope that the answer is a resounding yes, because in the fight for justice, there is strength in unity. There is power in solidarity, and together we can change the world. The fallout from the testimony of the presidents of Harvard, MIT, and the University of Pennsylvania has been swift and far-reaching. In the wake of their appearances before the House Committee on Education and the Workforce, these three individuals found themselves in the eye of a storm, their words echoing around them, their actions scrutinized. For Claudine Gay of Harvard, Liz McGill of Penn, and Sally Kornbluth of MIT, the questioning was intense, the atmosphere charged. Their responses, especially on the subject of anti-Semitism and free speech, drew widespread condemnation. The question of whether calls for genocide violate their institutions' codes of conduct sparked a heated debate that has since spilled over into the wider community. The repercussions were immediate. Virginia Foxx, North Carolina Republican and head of the committee, announced an inquiry into the learning environments at these prestigious institutions. Democratic Senator Kirsten Gillibrand of New York went even further, calling for all three presidents to step down. But the potential fallout extends beyond the political arena. In the world of finance, hedge fund manager Ross Stevens threatened to pull a $100 million donation from the University of Pennsylvania. Such a financial blow could have significant implications for the university. And then there's the voice of the people, the alumni. Thousands of Harvard graduates penned a letter to the school's board, demanding the replacement of President Claudine Gay. These are not just any voices, but those of individuals who have walked the university's hallowed halls, who understand its values and traditions. The fallout from the testimony is not just about these three individuals, but about the institutions they represent, the students they serve, and the values they uphold. It's a conversation about free speech, about responsibility, about the balance between fostering open dialogue and maintaining a safe, respectful learning environment. The consequences of their words continue to ripple outwards. As we navigate these complex issues, it is more important than ever to stay informed and engaged. Let's provoke thought, ignite dialogue, and inspire action. Let's challenge the status quo and strive for justice, equality, and freedom. Let's not just observe the conversation, let's be a part of it. Let's stand united. This is The Awakening, Black Women United. I am your host, Sherry Danny. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, and share.